A CNC laser operator is mild to wild. You could have days that you're rewriting code. You could have days that you're a whole maintenance department all by yourself. In a nutshell, a CNC laser operator is kind of just that. You tell the machine what to do and it does it. Almost everything that you find underneath the bleachers is what we make here. You learn something new every day. It's really fascinating. When I started at Hussey's, I actually came in as a temp. So when I came in through the temp agency, I was like, this place is actually kind of cool. It was, completely different from what I knew. The family atmosphere was what hooked me in, and the day that they offered me a full-time position was, to be honest, one of the coolest days I've ever had. And so a few years after that, I became the lead of that department, which was amazing because I got to see how the company does let you grow within itself with hard work and dedication. So right now I'm running the sheet lasers, so the sheet laser is pretty awesome. It has suction cups and a huge giant tower that you'll see, and the loader comes down, it picks up one single sheet, it brings it over to the laser. It shuffles it in, and the fiber optic laser head cuts whatever parts that the planner has nested onto that one task. So it could be 700 of the same part, it could be 2 of the same part and 700 different parts. It's pretty crazy. Different thicknesses, different cutting techniques. And the easiest part of this job is the family atmosphere. It's the, I would say, companionship, the friendship, the people backing you up all the time. So coming into work and having the fun little perks and the fun time with your coworkers and getting good quality product out the door at the same time, I mean, how could you ask for anything more? But this job is incredibly important to me because it's the safety aspect of building these stadiums, arenas, and gymnasiums. I've got nieces and nephews and 2 stepchildren of my own that I care about, obviously, deeply, and I care about their safety. So when I know that they're going to these places, even if it's just their elementary school, there's a pretty good chance that we made it, and I know it's going to be safe. And I think that's kind of the cool part, is that I came from the side that, you're like, watching the Celtics game, and you're like, hey, I made those chairs, those are awesome. And now it's like, I'm keeping you safe, you're welcome. No matter who you are, you can walk through the door and succeed here. If you want to come into work every day and have that atmosphere, that family atmosphere, be able to be yourself, smile, joke, laugh, have a good time, solve problems, which I love solving problems, then yeah, Hussey Seating is right for you.